I hope I get that deer.
That's so funny.
I want that. Oh, I think I got him. Oh wait, no, I don't think any of us got him actually.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Joe got him.
Let's go. Let's go, Joe.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you guys gotta watch out for the logs.
You didn't tell us this?
You want to draw a cam in here?
Yeah.
Weirdo.
And there'll be doors that we have to climb into. Yeah, there it is.
I don't know what this thing is.
No.
Oh no. I was wondering why Evan was staying so far back. And then both Joe and I run into a log. Oh no. It's a creature of legend. Oh, I like him.
I have a character that's level 10. You want me to play him? I have a level 10.
We're all level like 4 or 5. Well, Evan's level 7. Dang it, I keep trying to read chat and then I just keep dying.
Oh no, Joe! No, not the farting deer!
No. Is it weird I want one? Want one of this creature or the deer? Oh, look at him, he's up front! He's up front! Leading the way!
I can do it. Oh shoot! Oh! How close can I get? Oh, no, I'm not. Oh wait, he's going away.
Let's go, Gars! Let's go! He's like... Look at it! Look at the deers!
Wait, oh, I want the shark. I want to get on the shark.
Oh shoot, Jayden needs that. Oh! No!
Ow. Ah!
Oh dear man, the creature I feel would try to eat me. Maybe it just wants love, I don't know. Maybe it does.
What's that? Oh, they're not friendly.
Give it a hug.
Oh, wait.
Can I get on him? No. I'm dead.
Please.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
It does tons.
Also, do this real quick. Just get Ham acclimated.
Oh gosh. He's dead.
I hate this.
There we go.
Oh shoot, you need that, yeah.
All right. Okay, still not in yet.
Yes.
But yes, I hope everyone's having a good day. It's almost time for princess fighting.
Oh. No, it's princess fight. I can't remember when the next one is.
Okay.
Is this like a boss that we're fighting right
Yeah,
now?
well, yeah, we're going up to a boss.
Oh,
It's gonna be the cat.
Never played Castle Crashers before, but it looks fun.
It's so fun.
Does look fun. It is a banger. Nice, Joe. Just.
Oh, you need that?
Look at him go. Did you just?
Man.
Why is there so many poop jokes in this game?
Ah!
Oh, the game's just like half poop jokes and then like the other half is just combat. That's it.
There'll be two coming up soon.
Since I am not playing, I'm gonna go grab some water because I forgot.
Bless you.
Oh.
No, Joe. Apples. Oh, there's two of them now.
Chat, now that he's gone.
Oh. What am I standing on? I was just like going for a second, like.
Oh no.
On nothing. Oh no.
Oh no.
Mate, that's what you get with the dev team cooked up on coffee at 5 a.m. Yeah, it's funny.
No, that wasn't coffee.
The amount of times that we all laugh at poop jokes, even though we're all like 18, 19, is kind of incredible.
Let's
I don't know
go.
what kind of substance they were on when they made this
All right,
game.
this should be the boss
It was
fight
not
now.
coffee.
I need that.
Too
Oh.
late. I chose I think I
Evan,
chose
Evan,
Bulbasaur or Squirtle.
Let's
I
go.
don't remember which one.
Oh, that's our
This
king.
is the boss fight. Oh my gosh, I only do 1 damage to it.
What? Oh, you're right. Posture check as well.
Oh.
When do I come back? That's a gross looking thing.
Shield, shield.
I do need the posture checks because I'm still leaning forward way more than I should. So
No.
Nice kitty. Look at Joe riding a shark. Ew.
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. All right, now we shield. Yep. We shield until our king shoots the cannon. Oh gosh.
Cat says, gonna look for a bit, have fun. This game looks wild. It is wild. And I hope that you have fun lurking. Right now, I'm just watching because I died. But get him,
Come
boys!
on. Ah!
For some reason, this reminds me of the giant. Yeah, make it.
Enemy spider.
No. It reminds me of the giant ghost from Sonic Adventure 2. Specifically, the sounds that he makes.
Oh no, Joe! Joe, get over here! No!
And then.
No!
I'm blocking.
He's just going ham. Also, from lifting yesterday, I am very sore. Oh, kid, you did legs, right? Cade here. Cade's here, right?
Nope.
Okay.
Who's kid?
I always do. And
Oh,
I
the
really
king!
like
The
to tell
king is
myself,
the king's guiding us. Just tell us what we're supposed to do.
I do like Sonic
Is
Adventure
he?
too.
Yeah,
I like it a lot.
like right now he's telling us to attack. Right now he's telling us to shield.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
Get him, boys! Mess him up!
He's
That's
holding up
kind
his
of cool.
shield
I
now.
didn't realize
I didn't either. I've played this game for a heck of a long time. Oh gosh, get in front of the boat.
Wild.
Get in front.
Yep,
It's like a cat
he's gonna
shark
run right into it.
bear mix.
Yeah, it looks like your mom.
Huh?
Matthew! Hey, what is up? I hope you're doing well. We're playing Castle Crashers today. Ori was a lot of fun last night. I really enjoyed it. And
Play Ori?
yeah, I'm playing through that right now.
Hey.
Good game.
Yeah,
Good
suck
game.
good Which one are you playing? First one or second one?
First one. I've never played either of them. So I'm gonna play
Oh,
through the
second
first one, and then I'm gonna decide whether or not I'm gonna play through the
No,
second one.
Joe!
I probably
I didn't
will.
know that did damage since I was blocking.
Play the second one. I personally like the second one better. I love the first one too.
There's probably a lot more like,
Let's go, Evan.
not like better game design, but like it's not their first game. Like they probably
yeah, no, no,
taken
Can't
it and
break my
tweaked it so that it's
shield.
better.
The second one, did you ever play the like Doom 2016 and then Doom? You played Doom Eternal, right?
Oh yeah.
It's
Oh
kinda
yeah.
like I'd say I'm not gonna say it's like the difference in that game, but like there's more moving mechanics. And the moving or the movement feels more fluid
Okay.
in Ori 2. So
Isn't this game awesome? Well, it'd be more awesome if we had all four of us, but two of us died, and Ham hasn't joined us yet. Nice.
oh no.
Oh no.
Oh god.
I have like no strength. This is gonna take a while too.
Go Evan.
Let's go, Evan. Let's go.
Oh, I got the combo.
Dog.
Let's go. Oh, he's almost dead. He's almost dead. This is it. All right, Evan. Do the finishing blow. End it.
Yeah, come on, don't pressure him, man.
Let's go, Evan. Bleh. Brr. But yeah, this game is fun. It's very arcade hack and slashy type. And it's not expensive, and you can play with up to 3 of your friends. Very fun game. How much was it? Isn't it like 50?